Hello marketers, thanks for checking out another review video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reviewing WP Speedezy. It is a WordPress plugin that will make your site 10 times and up to 30 times faster. To see if WP Speedezy really works, first I'm going to analyze my website's page speed. And this is a tool directly from Google. I'll leave this link in the description below this video for you guys to check out your own website speed. So here's my website, mymarketingdeals.com. Let's click on Analyze. And let's see how well it performs. It takes a few seconds and up to a minute, depending on your website speed. So right now, my marketingdeals.com, this homepage is 27 and that is very low. Here it is. So 049 is low and 90 to 100 is fast sites. And here's more information about the scoring. So obviously you want 90 and above to get the best user experience, and obviously Google is going to give you higher rankings for faster page speed. And let's check out desktop. So for desktop, I'm at 62%, and for mobile, 27%. And after using WP Speedezy, I'll find out if it's really 10 times to 30 times faster. I haven't done this before, so this is going to be a live test results with WP Speedezy. And let's check out what you get with Speedezy. You get a full set of training videos showing you the basic settings, CDN settings, and the must-have settings, the varnish, advanced, and some database settings. So you get a lot of features, jam-packed features to really speed up your website. Besides the obvious, the reason why you need to speed up your websites for the search engines to rank your sites higher. Slow sites will not benefit you at all. So obviously you get lower rankings, higher bounce rate. People nowadays want fast websites. If it takes too long, they're gonna leave. And obviously you're gonna get less traffic and less opt-in if you're doing lead gen. Low conversions and slow websites, it's gonna burn out your paid advertisement. Again, because people do not want to wait so long for websites to load up. So the bottom line, you're losing money if you have a slow website. And even if you're on budget hosting, like shared hosting, this can drastically increase your website speed without upgrading to a dedicated server or VPS, because those will cost you more money with hosting. So if you're using WordPress, you can cost effectively increase your website speed without actually getting a faster server. Alright, so here I am inside of my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to upload the Speedezy plugin right now. To get to the WP Speedezy, it is under settings, WP Speedezy here, and they have a built-in cache. So let's turn this on. So I'm going to just quickly go through some of these features and activate the ones that will help my website speed up. So anything with faster page load, I'm going to try and enable and see how fast it can speed up my site. And faster performance, okay. And this, I don't want to increase, as a warning. Enabling this will increase your cache size. Okay, this one looks good. So let's save changes and go to the next set of options. Okay, so in the must for extra boost, so let's enable these. This is a head cleanup, basically remove all junks. I'm going to enable these. And server optimization, okay. And again, they have more in-depth video tutorial trainings for all the settings here if you want to go and find out more. So let's do advanced. Sure, let's enable these and save. Okay, next, database. So first up, it says select all options below. And if you have a lot of database issues, shouldn't do that, especially on shared servers or shared hosting. So I'm not going to select all since it has a big warning right here. I'm going to just delete some of the things I know I don't need, like post revisions. Don't need that. Comment from trash and spam, let's clean that up. And delete these expired things. So let's click on optimize. And CDN, I don't have a CDN. CDN is content delivery network. It will really speed up your site. All of the big sites in the world uses this, and it can be expensive. I think there are some free options. I need to look into that in a future video. But for now, I'm going to not use CDN because I don't have any set up right now. So let's check out Varnish. This is a HTTP preprocessor. It is very advanced technical thing to set up. So I don't have it set up, and I don't think you need it. So far, I've did these first 4 options, and I don't have the CDN and Varnish. So anyhow, let's see how fast my page speed is now. Okay, now let's test to see how fast my site is now. Analyze, let's see how it goes. So the higher the number, the better it is. So originally it was at 27, now it's at 42. And now let's check out desktop. So 89 for desktop compared with 62 for desktop before WP Speedezy. So 89, that's almost in the 90th range, which is where Google wants to see your sites at in terms of the speed. WP Speedezy definitely increased my site speed according to Google Page Speed Insights. So it worked, it did its job. It is super easy to set up and install, and all the options and features are easily laid out. If you're using shared hosting, this is a very cost-effective way to increase your website speed. And here's the price for WP Speedezy. So one site is $9.95, and you can get the unlimited site license for $14.95, which is a pretty good deal. So anyhow, WP Speedezy, I like it, and I'm not sure how long this price is going to be up for. And I will leave the link to WP Speedezy in the video description below this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment below this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking it out. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, case studies, and new marketing product reviews. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.